So supposedly we got the mother of all rains on the way, so I got to get the Peterbilt underneath the hay barn so the stacks don't fill up with water.
Down by the bayou where the cypress grow tall. Justice ain't written, it's carved on the wall. No lawman comes where the gators creep. The swamp's got secrets, knows how to keep. Swamp don't bury snitches, it feeds them to the mud where the water's dark and the roots drink blood. No sirens, just a ghostly.
Alright, well I think that should be good. It's probably going to be sitting there for the next couple days. Tend to not have too much work when it rains. Anyways, stay safe. See you guys on the next one.